At YITAMotor, we're committed to you. Makes it simple to return or exchange items with 4 easy steps. Send your comments to serve@yitamotor.com. Receive a return authorization and FedEx shipping label. Shade it back and receive your refund. First, visit www.yitamotor.com. On the bottom, cross over where it says Customer Services and select Contact Us. On this page, enter all required information. Please provide your order number so that we can quickly find your order and make sure to describe your problem correctly. Then, send a message, and a comment will send to our customer services. We will contact you as soon as possible. When you receive an email with a return authorization and a FedEx shipping label, simply print it and attach your FedEx shipping label to the box and take it to your local FedEx drop-off. If you have any difficulties, we can make an appointment for pickup. Once we receive your return, your refund will be issued within 48 hours or your replacement will begin processing. It's that simple. If you have any questions, you can always contact us.